Hi, Dawn Lewis here with an unboxing video for you. For those of you in Australia who love Mama Elephant, double barrel delivery. So excited. So what I have here is a restock of the November release, restock of the October release, and brand new November release. So excited. Let's unbox them. I have my knife. Let's get these open. Ooh. I wonder which box is which. Now you may hear some hammering in the background. That's because my husband's on leave and he's making a kitty run for our grand kitty Bella. If you haven't met Bella yet, I've got some pictures of her on my Instagram account. She's so lovely. She's a rescue kitty that my daughter has adopted in the tiny house. And she's super cute. She's grey and white tuxedo. She's so cute. All right, 2 boxes. Lots of paper. Ooh. Ooh, okay. The big box is the new stuff. So I'm just going to put that aside. I put that in my drawer, and let's do the restock first. So, I'm not going to tip it all out on my desk. We don't want to have an avalanche because this is just chaos. But what have we got? Ooh, cool. Lots of Christmas stuff. Actually, I'm going to take it all out, and then I can put it all back in the box. But I'll try really hard not to do an avalanche. Oh, so many things. Look at all these stamps. Oh. Okay, professional. All right, I'm being professional. Okay, first up we have, actually I'll do it on this side. We have Let's Go Caroling. So this is part of the Christmas collection, and there's heaps by this artist. I think they're really cool. Sentiments that go inside cards, I really like. There's a teeny tiny mouse with a songbook. Oh, they're so cute. Little elf hats and Santa hats. Absolutely adorable. Oh, so happy to have these back in stock. Now, if you're watching this and going, oh, I'm in Australia, I want some Mama Elephant, but you come across and it's out of stock, I actually offer a pre-order service. So if there's something that you want and I don't have it, on the website at dawnlewis.com.au, you just click on, there's a little tab that says pre-order, fill out the form, and assuming that I can get it, like it's in stock with the supplier, I'll be happy to order it in. All right, getting organised. Things are upside down, things are falling down. Oh my goodness, maybe I shouldn't have taken them out of the box. Okay, back in stock, Holiday Bitties. This was part of the October release. All these really cool little embellishments and Christmas, decorations and knickknacks and candy canes and ugly sweaters, and there's little motifs that you can put onto the jumper here and little faces that go on the bauble. So cute. So this one's back in stock. Everything's in stock right now as I'm unpacking. There might be a few things go out for pre-orders, but you guys get to see it straight out of the box. Oh, one of my favorites, Bookworm. I love this set. This is definitely one of my favorites from 2018. That's my husband working in the yard. I love this little one. I have this in my personal collection. I'm desperate to make a video using that one. It's just so cute. I got a few. This one sells out really quickly. And what goes with it is this set called Good Reads. Fantastic for making bookmarks, book plates, cards for people who read. But bookmarks, oh my goodness. Now that is a gift that you can send in for every kid in the class. They're inexpensive to make, they're quick to make, and no sugar, no calories, no preservatives. You get what I'm saying? So bookmarks, a brilliant Christmas idea, total stash buster as well. So I've got a couple of those. I really wish this stack wasn't upside down. And then I flipped it upside down and then the rest of it is upside down. I don't know. Oh, Holiday Bitties. So we have the stamps, but I've also reordered the dies. I've got a couple of those. Oh, this one. Okay, so this is Holly's Snowflakes. It's not one I usually keep in the shop, but I've ordered one in for a customer for a custom order, and there's one bonus that will be going into the shop. So when I order from Mama Elephant, I have to get at least 2 of each. When it's a new release, I often get more than 2. But it means if someone orders one in, there's often a spare in the shop. So Holly Snowflakes, very cute. They're really, really pretty. It's one of my favorite snowflake sets. Oh, I'm so happy this is back. Cool penguins. I love these little penguins. And while, yes, this is a Christmas set, you can also use it for birthdays. So the little penguins with presents. I mean, anytime you're giving a present, they look fantastic on tags. There's a couple of sentiments in there, but this suits gifts for all occasions, just maybe not the one with the reindeer ears, or you can mask it and not have the reindeer ears if you wanted that one. So Cool Penguins is back. Oh yes. Oh, flip slider. Honestly, when I first ordered this one in, I thought it was okay. I didn't really know what it did. And then all the videos started coming out. Oh my goodness, I couldn't believe it. This is such a good die. It's so clever. And right now I can't keep it in stock. But if you do go looking for it and it's not there, throw through a pre-order because I will definitely be ordering this again. So I've got a bunch of those. Hopefully enough, like for a minute. Okay, now let's talk about the Favor Bag XL die. Yes, I do have that one in the shop. But what they've done is they're releasing all these Favor Bag accessories. Yes, they fit on the Favor Bag. This one is called Love, and it was from this year's Valentine's Day collection. But they also look really good on cards. I've seen them done from felt. Oh, they look amazing made out of felt, but they're beautiful paper piecing dies. So while, yes, they're designed for the Favor Bag, they also look amazing on cards. So this one, the Love one, I've ordered that in for someone for a pre-order, which means there's a spare in the shop. I've also ordered in the Favor Bag monkey die, so that makes a really cute little monkey. And there'll be a spare of that. Oh, here we go. This is Santa Elf. Not sure if I'll have a spare of that because I haven't been through the pre-orders yet. But this die collection does a Santa paper piecing and an elf paper piecing. Very clever. Double duty. I like it a lot. Okay. Oh, thank goodness. Little Agenda Trains. Or is it Little Chain? Yeah, Little Agenda Trains. I've had the stamps, but then I sold out of dies and I couldn't get the dies. Now the dies are back in. So if you've been waiting, because fussy cutting these little agenda stamps, oh, you've got to have patience and a steady hand for that. But if you've been after the dies, hooray, they're back. Little Santa agenda dies. I'm so happy these are back in as well. Oh, Kitty Tree dies are back in. So happy about that. Let's Go Caroling. So that was the first stamp set that we looked at, actually. Let's Go Caroling. So stamps and dies. Oh, yay. That makes me happy. Because sometimes they, one sells out before the other. Oh, and Cool Penguin dies. Oh, this is such a good box. This is so Christmassy, this box. I'm starting to feel a bit Christmassy now. Merry Christmas Wishes. So this is part of the Wishes range. Love the Wishes range because there's a big scripty kind of hero greeting. Perfect for filling the front of a card. Stamp it, clear emboss it, ink, watercolor, mush, whatever around it to create a really quick card front, and then these beautiful sentiments that can go inside the card or on a sentiment strip with this. And you get bonus holly. So, that's good. What else have we got? Oh, yay, back in stock, Scripty Xmas. I love this one. There are two others in this range. There's Scripty B-Day and Scripty Notes. I love the font in this. It's just so pretty, and it's how I wish I wrote. My handwriting is not this nice. It's just not. But this is how I wish I wrote, and it's beautiful for the front of a card or inside a card. So that one's back. Oh, yay! Yappy Woofmas is back. So we've got Oh Kitty Tree for the cat lovers and Merry Woofmas for the dog lovers. It's super cute. All these puppies. There's a snow cat. Oh, I love it. I think that one's adorable. Oh, yay. Little Santa agenda stamps because I got the dies in there as well. Little Snowman agenda stamps. What else have I got? Nearly at the end of this box. Oh Kitty Tree stamps. So I've got stamps and dies. Then we've got a few smaller packets. What have I got here? Oh, thank goodness. Remember, we looked at Bookworm and Goodreads. This is Bookmark It. You get a bookmark die, a smaller bookmark die, which also doubles as a tag, a big speech bubble, the heart. The speech bubble kind of looks like a ghost to me. There's a heart, there's small hearts, and there's a bow. So I've got a couple of those. This is another in the Favor Bag accessory set. This is the Snow Deer. This set makes a snowman and a deer. So this is also one where you get two designs in the one set. And lastly from this box, the Scalloped Tag Trio. This is a beautiful set, perfect for Christmas tags, works really well with the little agenda stamps, and you get these scallopy tags, but you also get these smaller ones in the center. Great use of space. All right, let's crack into the other box. This is, oh my goodness, this is a new release. And because it's been released, I can finally show you. I've been sitting on this box waiting for it to be released. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I haven't unpacked it. I'm just going to take everything out. Ooh. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm going to start with the big things. and then work my way down to the small things. All right. Oh, this is new. Okay, so this is a new one in their Inside Pop range. This is the Inside Pop Box of Fun. So this is a pop-up box that goes inside a card. So when someone opens it, there's a little box that pops up, and obviously you fill it with fun things. There's little bunting, like pennants. There's a little heart that folds in half. There's a little line. Oh, so cute. I haven't even seen any examples, but I just knew this one was going to be cute. So I got a few of those. Oh, I got more of those than I thought I got. Wow. I was enthusiastic when I ordered from here. All right, what else have we got? Now, I've got a bunch of dies and I've got a bunch of stamps. So I'm going to try and match them up. Okay, so pigs. Oh, these are so cute. This is called Hogs Kisses. I have stamps and I have the matching dies. So super, super cute. What have we got in sentiments? We've got smooches. Oink, oink, in brackets, that means thank you. Oh, there's also one that says that means I love you. It always seems impossible until it's done. This little piggy sending you a little hog. Oh, pig birthday wishes and love you pig time. These are really cute. I think it'd work really nicely with Fly With Me, with the elephants and the balloons. Definitely very cute. Little piggy hugging the heart. That's so cute. Oh, I thought that one might be popular. I ordered a few of those, so I've got stamps and dies. All right, what's next? Okay, so always popular from Mama Elephant, and I was so excited when I saw this. I think I ordered like 10 of these. I did. Little bear agenda. I've always loved teddy bears. And oh yes, I got the matching dies, but little bear agenda, and these bears are Valentine's Day themed. So this is their Valentine's release, New Year kind of Valentine's release. And we've got all these cute little bears. Look, they're so cute with little Cupid bear, little bears with hearts. Now, not all of the bears have hearts, but some of them do. Actually, quite a lot of them do. Look, this is the way to send somebody lots of, you know, little lovey-doveys, and these will go fantastic on the 3x3 cards I did for the Save the Crafty YouTuber hop. So if you haven't seen that video, go check that one out, because these small stamps are perfect for that kind of smaller piece. Now there's another one called Sending Hugs. Sending Hugs. I consider this as part of the Wishes range because it's got this great big beautiful scripty sentiment and then all these smaller ones. This is great. It's got just because one hug is a great gift, one size fits all, and it's easy to exchange. Oh, my thoughts and prayers are with you. Hope you feel better soon. I'm always here for you. Love you so very much. Just wanted you to know how wonderful you are. This is for encouraging, lifting someone up, making someone feel good, letting someone know you are thinking of them even though you can't be with them. So, Sending Hugs, get into it. That's a cool one. Oh, a die set. Oh, I ordered a few of those. This is the, let me get it right, the circular grid. So you've got this frame. This is A2, and for the Aussies, the frame is 10.8 centimeters wide and 14 centimeters tall. So it is great size to fit on our Australian size card bases. And if you're not familiar with the difference between American A4 and Australian A4, I've got a video to that. I'll link it below. These are wide enough, absolutely, certainly, possibly even a little too wide, but they're wide enough. But they are a little shorter than our cards. But that's all good because we can make them fit and they look great. And these circles, perfect size for little agenda stamps. And there are so many of those now. So many. And they're so cute. Oh, a new floral. Oh, I'm seeing this in person for the first time. This is much prettier than I was expecting. So I've got stamps and dies, and it's called Heart in Bloom. Oh, so cute. You've got a great big bouquet with a banner here, and then you've got 4 sentiments that fit in the banner, including you're beautiful just as you are, wishing you love and laughter, friends are the flowers of life, and because I love you. And then an extra flower here. So you could stamp that on the envelope. You could pop it up. It would be so cool. All right, that's small. That's small. Oh, there's a few small ones in here. I've got a lot of Favour Bag accessories in here, so I'm just going to put them to the side. Let's do the Favour Bag accessories. So this one's come in. This is pumpkin. Yes, I know Halloween is over, but this one's coming in as a special order for someone. So I have a spare going in the shop. So this makes a really cool pumpkin with, you know, cut out face and spirals. Now you could make it just as a regular pumpkin, like if you've got a veggie garden or, you know, stork visiting the pumpkin patch, that kind of thing. Or storks visit the cabbage patch, don't they? Yeah, they do. Anyway, you can do it with or without the face, but I'm telling you, it's here if you want it. Oh, Favour Bag accessory, cat. I love this one. This is so cute. And it's got little whiskers and little stripes that you can add, all the little kitty features, paper piecing. So if you've got tons of cardboard scraps, like cardstock scraps, these are a fantastic way. You make cats in any colour that you like. So one's going out in a pre-order, the other's in the shop. Bunny. So this is the Favour Bag bunny. It's so cute. It's got a little bow and little bunny nose and mouth. So cute. So one of those is going in an order. One's going out. Oh, the bear. I do love the bear. This was one of the first ones. You can make a panda bear or a regular bear. It's got a little top hat. It's got a little moustache. You can really dress it up. There's a lot of different looks that you can give with this particular set. And last but not least, the Favour Bag accessory Halloween. This does a Frankenstein. I think it does a ghost as well. There's a little spider in there. Now both of these are actually going out on pre-orders, but if you're looking at this going, but I want that one, throw through a pre-order, let me know and I'll order it in again, no problem. And last but definitely not least, because this is part of the new release, a new Favour Bag accessory, Piggies. It goes with Hogs and Kisses. It's so cute. Oh, the little piggy nose. There's even a little spider in here, Charlotte's Web style. I know, right? I know, it's so cool. I am nearly finished. Let's go the restock and let's go the new ones. Kingdom Trio. This is so popular. This came out with dragons, Dragon Wishes and Me and My Dragon. And you get these 3 pieces of landscapes. There's a city, there's mountains, and there's just a flat landscape, and they combine or they're singular. You could even use these dies to cut out cardstock and create stencils, make your own templates for masking so you can spritz or airbrush or ink or whatever you like. Cut them from a plastic and make your own stencils, or cut them from cardstock and use up some of your scraps and some of your stash. All right, 2 more to go. Let's do this one first. There we go. It's called, let's get it right, Woodgrain cover. It's an A2 cover die and it puts in this dashed. It's not a faux dot, it's a faux dash, like a faux stitched wood grain background. Now it looks great up and down like this, but it also looks great sideways like that. You can make things look like tables or trees or treasure chests or whatever. If you've got a woodland scene or critters or, you know, something like that, this would look really cool with letters on top, like having initials carved into a tree. I think that would look cute as well. And last, for today's video, I'm trying to keep these as short as I can. This one is part of the framed tag collection. It's called Waverly, and it has, let's see, there's a scalloped rectangle with faux stitching. There's a smaller scalloped rectangle. They'd sit very nicely on top of each other. There is a lift the flap. I know, a rectangular lift the flap with faux stitching around all the sides. There is a card holder, a gift card holder. That's what this is. So it's got these, it just cuts here and here. This one, I'm going to be honest, I'm not quite sure what it is. I feel like it's the top for a tag, or it maybe goes over and makes pennant. I don't know. I guess I'll have to wait, but you know, you could use it for whatever you like. You could cut them in half, but it's got bunting written all over it, you know. It's just, it's got those holes, so I feel like it's the top for a tag, and I think it would look really pretty, but it does fold in half. That much I know. So that is the framed tag Waverly. So there we go. That is my Mama Elephant unboxing with a restock of October, brand new release in November. And if you are looking for Mama Elephant in Australia, you can find it at dawnlewis.com.au. If I don't have what you want in stock, click the pre-order tab and let me know what would you like me to order in. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a very crafty day. Thank you for tolerating all the noise around my house today, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.